Let's make cookies. In your bowl, add 1/4 of margarine. Turn it thoroughly until you get that milky color. Note, it must be in milky color. Add icing sugar. In this video, I use 1/2 cup of icing sugar. Mix it thoroughly until it's well combined. Now the end result will look like butter icing used in covering cakes. You add your flour. I used 1/4 cup of flour. If you watch to this point, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment for more amazing content. Please encourage your baby girl. The reason for sieving this flour is because you have to remove those dirty tiny particles so it won't spoil your work. It won't spoil your work. So you have to be careful. Use your sieve. Sieve it out. Sieve those dirt out. I use my hand to put the dough together, so the end result will be amazing. At this rate, you can choose to put in your freezer for some time, but for me, I baked it at once because I was craving for these cookies. I was craving for it. It's time for rolling it. So I used the nylon I have at home to put it before rolling it. I know so many of you will ask, why is she doing this? The reason is that you don't want your rolling stick to stick together with your dough. You want to have that smooth surface and your rolling stick won't stick together with this. So let's roll together. If you watched to this point, I love you. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell anytime I post new videos. Also, like and comment. Let's become one happy family. At this rate, I've gotten what I wanted. So it's time to give it any shape you want. You can use love shape, you can use circle shape, any shape you want your cookies to have, you can use it. For me, I just use what I have at home to get this beauty here. In an empty pot, add your salt, then add whatever you have like ties or any stand. I added my baking pan, then with a pinch of salt. You can choose to use your baking pan for these cookies, but for me, I use my pot cover so it won't get burnt so much. But you can use the baking pan if you have a stand. If you have those stands, if you have it, you can use it. Or maybe you look for stone, flat stone, you can use it also. So I have to give these cookies the design I want. I use my fork to give it the design I needed, and I loved it, no doubt. So I covered my pot and allowed to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. This is it. The cookies is ready. I removed it. If you've come this far, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell anytime I post new videos. Will give these cookies a try. You can also use your oven. If you have oven at home, you can use it and bake it, and I promise you, you will love it. Remember, after you must have removed it from fire, it's very hot. Just allow it to cool down for 10 to 20 minutes. Then you can eat it, you can munch it. Thank you.